1237 species in genus Syzygium. April 7th, Syzygium, the brush cherry, defines April 7th. Syzygium symbolizes vitality and abundance. You have a vibrant energy that uplifts those around you and a generous spirit that nurtures connections. Like its lush foliage and edible fruits, your presence brings life, prosperity, and joy to any environment. A deep dive into the diverse world of Syzygium. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been fascinated by the sheer diversity of the botanical world. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Syzygium, a group of flowering plants belonging to the myrtle family, Myrtaceae. This genus boasts an incredible array of species, with estimates 1,200, and they are spread across a vast geographical area, from Africa and Madagascar to southern Asia and the Pacific. What draws me to Syzygium is not just its size and distribution, but also the incredible variety it exhibits. This genus includes everything from towering trees to humble shrubs, with a range of leaf shapes, flower colors, and fruit types that is truly astounding. Some Syzygium species are cultivated for their edible fruits, while others are prized for their ornamental value or their timber. And let's not forget the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, a species whose aromatic flower buds are a staple spice in kitchens around the world. A closer look at Syzygium characteristics. So, what exactly makes a Syzygium a Syzygium? While the genus displays remarkable diversity, there are some key characteristics that unite its members. Leaves. Most Syzygium species have opposite, evergreen leaves with a leathery texture. The leaves often contain oil glands, which can give them a distinctive aroma when crushed. Flowers. The flowers are typically small and arranged in clusters. They can be white, cream, pink, or even red, and often have numerous fluffy stamens that give them a powder puff appearance. Fruits. The fruits are usually fleshy berries, and they come in a variety of colors, including white, pink, red, purple, and black. Some are edible and quite delicious, like the water apple, Syzygium aqueum, and the brush cherry, Syzygium australe. Exploring the diversity of Syzygium species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Syzygium. Beyond their ornamental and culinary value, Syzygium species play a vital role in their ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a wide range of animals, and some species are even used in traditional medicine. Furthermore, some Syzygium species, like the clove tree, are economically important crops, providing livelihoods for many people. Conservation concerns. Despite their importance, many Syzygium species are facing threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. It's crucial that we take steps to conserve these valuable plants for future generations. This includes protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. My continued fascination. My journey into the world of Syzygium has been an eye-opening experience. I'm constantly amazed by the sheer variety and adaptability of this genus, and I'm eager to learn more about its many fascinating species. I encourage everyone to take some time to appreciate the beauty and importance of these plants, whether it's by enjoying a delicious water apple, admiring a flowering clove tree, or simply learning more about their fascinating biology. Note: this article is just a starting point. There is a wealth of information available on Syzygium, and I encourage you to explore further and discover the wonders of this diverse genus for yourself.